go to school on Friday? Because somebody has said never go to school.
Yes, my son got to the same school. And he's in 7th grade as well.
Nice.
And when I saw the school put up the missing child, Jayden, Friday evening, Friday night. I wake up the Saturday morning, I saw it in the group, in the 7th grade group. And I asked my son, I called him and I said, come here, you know this little boy? He said yes. And I said to him, was he at school yesterday? Did you see him at school yesterday? He said, yes, mommy. I see him at school yesterday. So Jayden was
have any groups or anything or him look?
No.
Him look like him?
No, because that time, school time, he did on compound or something, so in the school Friday.
But even if he look, if he was school, I don't think nothing happened to him. Because the teacher would have noticed that and asked him what's wrong with him.
Not at that time. And the thing is, where my son take the bus to come home, right at Megamart bus stop there, so across the road from the school gate.
Yeah.
At the same place Jayden go cross when the rain was falling. But my son said he never see him in the evening because at the same stop my son take his bus to come home.
Oh. So your son saw when he went to the mart?
No, I asked him if he did see him over the bus park because they saw him take the bus too when he come home. You all of the bus them actually, because the bus them no go on the compound. So, but him say never see him in the evening at that spot. But he was on compound.
Yeah. Okay. Patrice, so did you hear any information like how did he get to school that morning? Like there's a bus or a taxi that he took?
Well, apparently the information that I heard was what the step uncle gave.
Yeah.
Because where he live, where Jayden live, is you'd have to go back up in Mandeville town.
No.
And you'd have to go right.
I'm not cut you off. What I was saying, if is a taxi he took to school or he took a bus, that means the bus driver supposed to see him, or the taxi that took him. So somebody have to see him when he went to school that day. Can you say your son see him anyway?
Yes. And as me said, the step uncle with him speech is that he was the one who put him on the taxi the morning and gave him the $1,500 to pay his fare for lunch money. Because at the same time, he said the little boy said him take out the $2,000 out of the piggy pan and tell him say I go buy pizza, and he said to him, your money, so do whatever you want to do. And he said same time a taxi came by and the little boy going at the taxi.
Okay.
And
but the next thing is, and there's any information that see him there from school, like did he like anybody see him take a bus or the bus driver see him come on the bus or a taxi pick him up, or anybody say anything like that, or any taxi driver come forward and say they pick him up?
No, I never hear anything at all about that.
There's no story about that. So those are the information.
I was saying if he had taken taxi go home, apparently the taxi man never run on his road would have to know say somebody would have to come up and say they care more.
And there's no information like that. If him to leave from that school, somebody have to see him. And picture all over the place. Yeah.
And there's nobody came. Me I say, which them say him say him did go buy pizza. Which part Caesarea where the place name, I don't know. But Jayden traveling home, remember Manchester have one back gate, will lead right to where his taxi stand would be to go home.
Yeah.
So if he was going straight home, Jayden wouldn't have to come through the front gate of Manchester School. Because that would have way out time reach. You would have just go through the back gate of Manchester School and end up running an original taxi stand, which is behind the school. So if you come at the front gate of Manchester School, if you go home, you have to go way back round, if you go back up in the town, if you go back over in taxi stand, which is unnecessary. So most times the kids them where I go see him where would I go through the back gate of Manchester School. They won't come through the front gate if you go back up in the town, go back round.
So the front gate, that's where your son take the bus.
Right, because he might come down the hill. He might come down Spur Tree Hill.
So that means, so that day, your son will never see him then, because he's not going to be in the front. So you leave that at the back. That's what you're saying.
He wouldn't see him if he did go.
But he saw him in the school that day.
Right.
So he was at school.
He was.
But the thing is, so the next thing is, we just don't know how him leave the school premises or how him get away from that area. So that's the reason why I'm always saying, when did the teacher saw him? Even though they're saying that's when him went missing, but we also when, what day? If it's the Saturday, the Sunday, the Monday, the Tuesday, we don't know. And them are saying it's still in our school uniform.
Me would have said then the missing report from the school, me I go forward the school when me know. Because me in the group, because through my child in the school. When I saw the school put it up, it was Friday night, me little in my bed and me see the message come in. And them say the message was like this: close family or friend to Jayden Smith, please contact whatever. The school, them. But at the time, they never put him up in photo or anything or say missing. So, I look good, because I said, through my son last name to a Smith, I look good if me really see good. So, I think, maybe something pertaining to school, you know, in the group.
Yeah. Okay.
Then again, me see another message coming again. I say, it's urgent. Again, there wasn't the missing picture put up yet. They never put up say missing yet.
But
so when we get up Saturday morning, when we wake up Saturday morning early, I take up my phone. Now when I look on my phone, I never ever get up out of bed yet. I see Jayden photo put up in the group. Say missing. So I say, how are this? So that was when I called my son and I asked him, do you know this child? He said yes. I said, did you see him at school yesterday? Because I never tell him yet, say missing yet, you know. Him say, yes, he was at school yesterday. I said, well, see it, then put him up, say missing.
Okay, Patrice, but the thing is, when the school say missing, like, where does the school get that information from? They get it from his parents, from his uncle?
Yeah, remember the auntie said, in one interview, the auntie said, you know, when she went home from the hospital, she found out that Jayden is not at home. So she said, she called the principal at the school, and the principal, and asked the principal if there was any extracurricular activity at school this evening that kind of said Jayden no come home. The principal said to her no. So she said to the principal, Jayden is in cadet. So find out from the cadet teacher if they did have no, extra thing. The principal said okay, and she said the principal hung up and called whatever the teacher asked. The teacher said no, they never have any any cadet practice. So the principal called her back and said to her, no, they never have any. So that was when she said she reported it also to the police.
But what time? Okay, so what time you get your alarm, your notification, and the group? What time was that?
To be frank, it was sometime around after 9, so after 9:10, so in the night, Friday night. Cause me never gonna sleep yet, but me did lie down in the bed.
So roughly about 10 o'clock the latest, you just say.
Right.
So that means the parents maybe call the teacher and give the information to them.
The auntie, the auntie called the principal and make the report.
So that mean, hold on, chef. So that means the auntie went home after 10 from the hospital.
She reached home before. Remember, she said when she left the hospital, she stopped and buy chicken and all of that. And she said, up in the town. And she said the uncle, the husband and the other little boy, for them little son. Mm-hmm. And she said she was calling Jayden phone and she didn't get Jayden, and Demar said to her she mustn't call Jayden phone because Jayden calls Jayden phone straight because Jayden don't have any credit or arrears, so she called on WhatsApp. So she said she would call Jayden phone 2 times.
So where the story comes from, Jayden leaving phone at home.
Remember, they can't carry phone to school, you know. That is one of the rules. They can't carry no phone. They cannot carry any phone to school.
Okay, so she would have called him when he reached home. You know what?
So apparently apparently that time when she said she was calling Jayden, maybe she thinks that at the time that Jayden would have reached home first. They home for school already. But she said when she never get him on the phone and she reach home with the chicken and all of that and open up the door and everything, then she go to Jayden door, she finds Jayden door shut. So she said she asked her husband for the key because her husband have extra key because she said Jayden have his own key in the room. So she said when she opened the door, she finds Jayden is not in the house, in the room, nor in school bag, nor nothing in the room. So she called out to her husband and the other little boy, the man, and said, you know, so Jayden in the house. And she said they like them surprised and they come look in the room and they stay reading and they did it. So at that time now, she said she called the principal of the school.
So is when our daughter come to Jamaica? When?
Friday, them say Friday. Friday. Remember Thursday night, you picnic go to the hospital, you know.
But Patrice, let me tell you something. This little bad breed picking with them care for foreign come down to Jamaica. The grandmother thinks she a God. Eating and only God from above. And that little boy going there doing the Superman thing. And him jump up in the air and say to me, me and one little bad breed want to come find ya. Me not take care for you. And make me tell you something good on a sentence today. And we're rolling stone. And a brown chicken. I'm going to chip up like I went in America, chip up, come back America. I don't have war in the day. And let me tell you something. Like, yes, I come from war. So, let me tell you something. Then, damn rude. I would never feel no baby a fight and them bad breed.
Beekeeper, before I get your thought, I need to ask Patrice something because she's on a topic here. Hold on. You said the woman said that Jayden, the husband have an extra key in Jayden's room. I want to know which Jamaican parents have 13-year-old people who can lock up in a room.
She said everybody have a key.
No Jamaican parents.
That's what she said.
Can lock room door. Fear some can lock him room door and go away with key, my parent.
I'm a big man.
Hold on. Somebody in the chat named Spaniard said. Somebody asked not a question. Spaniard, he asked, was the uncle at the hospital at the time with the aunt and Demar? If Demar was also there or not? You don't know? The uncle is there at the hospital?
Demar did it too.
Demar.
Remember the uncle saying, in an interview, remember the uncle saying, him carry them to the hospital. All of them go to the hospital, the 5 of them. Right? With the baby, Jayden, Demar, the wife, and him. 5 of them. So, him said him did it with them until the 2 boys, Demar and Jayden, drop asleep outside in the car. And you know, they can't go in the emergency with the children, them like that.
Yeah.
So him drop asleep out the door in the car. Him say now, him go back home for some stuff. He carry back at the hospital and leave the woman there with the baby. Right? Him say him did it till 5 o'clock, him left and go home.
What's the matter?
5 o'clock in the morning, him left and go home. Because they might go to school. The woman said, the wife said the man they go cook. So everybody talk one different story.
I rubbish them at all.
The husband said no when him go home 5 o'clock. No, him start Rere, Jayden already for school. But him say, him tell Demar say, Demar now go to school, not to go to school because him have to go help with the Rere car, with the mother and the baby don't have that, so him can't go. So apparently Jayden know say Demar wasn't going to school that morning.
Right.
So him drop out Jayden alone 6:30 out of the roadside to take the taxi to go school and leave them at home.
Mm-hmm.
So what I was saying, they must say, Jayden tell the little girl when shelter with the umbrella across from school, say, the little friend say, him a wait for his cousin to come pick him up. So apparently it wouldn't be them are, kind of say them are not going to school.
Mm-hmm. But all he would have known, say, if he not having phone, one would have known, say, the foreign cousin would have come pick him up.
That's what I was saying. I was saying if that be the case, it has to be some arrangement made from the night or early the morning before he leave for school.
Cool.
Because he no carries phone for school.
How them know say the girl when I come, that him when I come to come pick him up.
Then I have to make phone call and say, remember from the baby get the injury for him.
No me attack Joe Jade and don't know say she a come pick him up. A con artist, them a scammer. Let me tell you something. The baby must go to prison too. The whole of them must go to prison for Jada.
Look here.
I don't
I
think
think if
he could have 2 months of time at a belly. Him needs to go call him a damn bad breed. Him a broke bad picking it. And the auntie a lie. The auntie's a damn liar. The man a lie. He's
And listen.
picking it and the girl a lie.
And
The girl
listen.
from America, turn back to Jamaica. Put
Why
your ass,
would
lock him up. Put on the orange.
Why would at one point again, I was saying, why would Jayden go out of the way, figure Mega Mart, so go through the whole of Mega Mart building, come out round the back part of Mega Mart, go round the back gate, remember the back gate lead onto Perth Road, you know, where am I going to go the hill? So why you don't want to go? Oh, somebody will tell them your cousin I come pick you up. Why would she say, or if I want a person I come pick you up then? Logically, why would the person tell you if you're going down a lonely road? For me, I come pick you up. Me know that say stay and Mega Mart there so or where everybody there, or go your original taxi stand where you know me we find you. Why you not tell the lead and why the picnic gone up in a lonely road there so he want?
Exactly. For GT, for Patrice, we don't believe, say, the uncle know too, because if the arrangement were made before he leave for school, do you think the uncle well and know?
I was one.
Boy. The whole of them is a plan. Because the girl, you think say, the girl are being one picking it. I hear say them eat foot broke. You know the thing say the girl with a range to a lie. The auntie know the auntie read, the girl mama read. The girl not read when the mama tell him. If say ma come then I come see him so. Me not put on no clothes, me not take the first flight, me I get out there.
I wonder if when they go home from the hospital, I wonder between the other little boy them are and between that time period, I wonder if him know about the arrangement with his sister and the arrangement make, as me said before, Jayden left home to go to school in the morning. Me I feel that the little boy know something.
The mother foreign knows the local boy 15-year-old to beat up Jordan.
Yes, me feel like he knows something.
Good night. Good night, we are right.
Merlin, pick up Merlin. What about Merlin?
You know I say something, but you know look back. No 15-year-old can't go in and no hospital, but sit down with no patient.
That's what we are saying. Them say them left them out and go in the car asleep. That's what the daddy say.
They're going to pick up Jayden with the cousin.
So when the mother go say, she'll wait upon, when she tell her husband say, when he go home for send Jamar, come. Because she want to go bathroom. She can't get to go bathroom. Jamar stay with the baby. I never say go. Yes, that's what she say. Yeah. And that she say. That she say. You want Jamar to relieve her. Mm-hmm. That she can't get to go to the bathroom. So true.
In a hospital.
All right. Remember now, when she coming on, she said she got Kentucky go buy chicken. Oh, you forgot Kentucky go buy chicken for your baby boy in a so much pain.
Come on.
How we
Yeah,
not
God,
going to
that's the
chicken
territory.
Oh, that hey, me tell you something, man.
chicken.
So me I say too, when she said when she said the mother, the auntie said, the mother said she left the girl. When she named Shani, or when she named, they the hospital with the baby, Friday
Not
night.
Nagaso. Not
Then
Nagaso.
what time Shani get to go spiritually go beard? And when they do the baby at that time, when you
Hold
go
on,
beard,
no, man. When the girl come from foreign, the girl come on the yard, you know.
Inspiration beautiful. We here. Why not?
Me a talk.
No, you go down.
Remember say when she come, you know, she never got the yard, you know.
mm-hmm.
And how we know that? Might be someone who know what. Remember I can tell you this. How we get to know how when L.A. Lewis a question the father with and Prince is there. Prince were there. And so we know say friend live a spiritual ill. And she up a spiritual ill when she come and up at the friend yard.
Yeah, because
That's
that
it.
never talk.
That never talk.
Really.
That's why. That's the reason why the father never answer him phone today. Because right now, the father in a problem, you know. Because the father bust up everything today, you know.
Yes.
And yesterday, you know.
Where am I saying today?
Not today, yesterday.
Yesterday.
And him bust up everything. L.A. Lewis get in front of them and him bust up everything. Because we never know about nothing at all, we matter. And yesterday we couldn't know, say, Shani come and that's spiritual ill up at Tommy. Who named Tommy?
Tommy what? Tommy the driver.
No. Tommy another driver. Here what? The man say, him wife, boss. And the boss live a spiritual ill. I don't know if it's a woman boss or a man boss.
Well, they say it's a principal.
Like she oversee a house or something.
Well, I don't know, but up there she there. So why you want changing her clothes up there, so? So she come, she don't come at the yard, and she never got to the hospital. She didn't go to the hospital when she come.
Me no cut you. When she get clothes and she know say she go buy clothes and the mother say, listen, man, them say she no come now with nothing, not suit her clothes.
All right, me can say something to you. First she come, she not got to the hospital. So she get
She up at the hospital. She up at the hospital while I'm going to leave the hospital go buy food.
Okay, no squitty. That a girl not going to no hospital because if the mother and the father they there, hey, appear go round.
So where she there?
She did find the time to go get Jayden and then go do what they do with Jayden.
She and the brother. She and
Look up here, that's no question. Why them don't make it? Jamaican people will have 427 people over here. When am I wait for arrest the family? Because I cried today.
Man, I can't talk about video.
But you know, Marlene, I think the Jamaican people them to go demonstrate in front of their yard, make the police them do something. I look like the police them just now do nothing.
Hello, you know, with some other people, I mean, I can tell you the truth, you know. I say, me know what going for my life, you know, but me no business, you know. I don't give a fuck who want come back and who no want talk to me. You see, only labor right? You see, only labor right, me, I tell you the truth. When I get up every day, I know a ball, I say, the police is and the police that, why somebody don't come back that little boy and back us? Why somebody member of parliament them? What happened to the justice of the minister of justice to come out? What happened to our prime minister to come out and help us solve this crime? Say something that these people can get to go into the land of question. What happened?
Government now nothing to do with it.
What do you mean by that?
Nothing to do with it. Like enough to we picnic. Them out
Oh God, let me tell you something, man. You must stop me bias, you know. When if you stop me bias, you know, because I'm tired of this, you know. I want to come here, you know. Who did it? Who did it? When the minister of justice come out and say, look here, we need the police to get these people. Well, and we have to question these people. Question these people.
That's all. Nobody no
question. It's going to 4 weeks. When you come on, don't be biased. We all country. We fight for MP, and we fight for oh. Help us fight. Wanna come help me fight. Help me fight, man. Help me fight. Wanna come out on a bigger than we. On a bigger than we. We are sprat. What the big John wanna come out and help me fight now, man. We need somebody to help us fight.
Not true.
When me look and see what they solve, when me look and see, yo.
Berlin, the commission have to come out and make it country know so
Come
why.
say something, man.
Oh, God, somebody step up. Somebody step in front of the line. Somebody step in front of the line. The whole Jamaica and overseas people, everybody a ball. Somebody step in front of the line. Don't be biased. Don't get up and say the government not for business, the minister not for business. And our country, we stand up and fight for the country we're here. So we are all these people. Mighty
When
God, we
minister
are there.
education there, then none of them no come out and say nothing.
Somebody come out now, man.
And same
Somebody
thing with
come out
Early.
now.
None of them no come out and
Oh,
say
they not be
nothing.
arrested. They want to make the whole of the people them get plane ticket and run away. Oh, no, no come out. Oh, don't keep on the mouth shut, you know. We have to come out with this, you know, man. On the help, you know,
But
man.
the early part, I would say some stuff.
Type
But
justice for Jayden at the box. Type justice for Jayden.
On the help, you know, man. On the help, we.
Yeah, man. Justice
Our
for
country,
Jayden.
we fight for a country. Look how we fight for a country. At 5 o'clock, me get up and come over this and fight for the country. 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, we fight
Yeah,
for
man.
the country.
Right
Who
now,
that ever
right
stand up for we? Who that ever stand up for we? Who that ever stand up for my
You got
God?
to come over and get on live at 12 hours straight.
Somebody fi come out. Gatekeeper, don't keep your mouth closed. Gatekeeper, don't keep your mouth
Justice for
closed.
Jayden.
Because you know what I lie me I tell. Don't keep your mouth closed, gatekeeper.
No, me
We need
can't keep
somebody
my
to
mouth
come
Justice for Jayden.
When me there, so me a fight Merlin. Me a
I want
fight.
them to the top of X people them for the country. Want me to the X them. What we fight for.
You're too quiet. You're too quiet. You're too quiet.
But them
And
there.
we are Jayden grandmother. And we are Jayden mother. And we are Jayden.
No, we are mother.
Nephew,
Oh, we
niece,
are
and
mother.
everything.
Mighty God, we are mother. We are
Tonight we are
mother,
calling upon the
Father.
Prime Minister.
Oh,
And
we are
Jamaica,
Prime Minister, become
Justice Minister. If the Dutch need us to position, me a call upon God, they not say nothing neither.
We are begging for
Nobody
come
not say
out.
nothing.
A long time we are calling.
Jayden, you need to come up and talk to the little
We are
boy.
begging for come out. None of the minister them no come
Help!
out.
Help!
None of
Help!
them no come
Help!
out.
Help!
That's what we
Help!
talk about.
Help!
We're not gonna
Justice!
make it go 4 weeks.
Justice!
We're not gonna make it go 4 weeks. We're not
Justice!
gonna make it go.
Help!
We're not
Help!
gonna make it go
Help.
4 weeks. We're not make it go 4
Help.
weeks. Because we didn't tell God
Help.
to them our
We
salvation.
need help in
We
the
want to be
judgment.
served. Mr. Andrew Wallace, come on for Jayden.
Yes, I mean,
Mr.
it's
Andrew
like
Wallace,
education.
I'm begging for come on for Jayden. Come on for Prime
Everybody.
Minister.
Woman.
We're Prime Minister, we love you.
You
Come
know, you're
on
not
for
bad
Jayden.
for nothing
We're
at all.
fine.
It's true.
We love you, our Prime Minister. Just come out and help us fight for Jayden.
Jamaica
Help us
and
fight
justice
for
and
him.
children
Just say something.
advocate.
Just say
Where
every
the church?
2 words.
Where church there?
Mr. Andrew,
Where
the
the
church
church
in the
is?
march. The
Walk
church
to
in
the
the
church.
march. The church
Walk
come
to the
march
bishop.
right here. The church march
What
right
the head
here.
of government,
The
the
church
ministers.
come, but the
The
whole of the church
church.
them against we. The
Justice.
church them against Labour government and the whole of the prophet them will say them are prophetess. Them
where
not
them
like
now?
Labour
Nobody
party.
can see nobody.
The whole of them hate
Justice
Andrew
for
and
Jayden.
hate the
Justice for
Labour
Jayden.
party
I
and
wanna
hate
say
me and hate no. We don't notice the whole of the church, them hate the Jamaica Labour Party because true nobody never promised them no money. And true them they
Yes.
promise them the church people them money. That's why them come out, come march against Andrew Holiness. And
know
talk about
that to
Andrew
come
Holiness
march
and
with Jayden.
I know
legalize
this
women.
come out to the
When
innocent
the
little
church
boy.
Come march
there,
with Jayden
and then
now.
come
I
and then
know this
tell
come
like
out
on the
to
Prime
Jayden.
Minister. And we over here and we vent and we
Want
take
to the
them
human
down, mighty
rights.
God.
Human
Mr.
rights
Andrew,
are
we are
fight
call
against
upon you
police.
to come
People
out.
don't have
Come
honor.
out to
Human rights
Prime
are
Minister.
fight against
Come
the
out
police.
to
Where
Prime
they
Minister.
go.
Some of the people that couldn't stop
Let
us.
them stand
We
and
use
stand up.
the platform. We use the platform over here. We use the platform and we fight for a party. Mighty God, we use the platform and we fight for a party. Nobody
Where
never
the
do
church
a job.
people them there.
But we use the platform and we fight for a party.
Where
We
the
fight
church
for
people
Jamaica
them
Labour
there.
Party win. Because we love the Prime Minister. And now we are come together and I beg the Prime Minister just come out and you come say something. And you come say something against Jayden. Make we see it come out.
Drink some water, Merlin. Drink some water.
When we had going from early to them, I said, no,
Prime Minister come out. Yeah, begging the Prime Minister just come say one thing.
First lady.
Eh?
There's a Keisha fly up on you.
Want me to the commissioner why I'm care hold on for this family. Want me make the family care get hold on on mighty God. Hold them somebody want to tell me something. The father-in-law want to tell me something.
Now wait till the whole family get from Ghana foreign.
Merlin, what we are going to do, we are going to send up some prayer. We are going to
We are all fight.
spiritual
We all
intervention.
fight since night I cry, me I cry the whole night
spiritual
because
intervention.
I mean I got to tell you this.
Fire, we are going in
Why?
prayer.
And you just come say something
Prayer.
now.
We can tear them strong, we can break
You
you
say
up.
something.
We can move down.
Well, that
Them
tree
must we do this.
not
We can
tree.
run out and
We
speak
do
to
this
them.
and we fight. The way we take a platform and we fight. We take a platform and we fight for one problem over. We come back and fight for another one. We want to win. We win.
All of
Same
them
like how we
are
win.
and alive the young little
Same like how we win the Jamaica Labour
I
Party.
give them a sacrifice.
And so we want
A
to win this little
sacrifice.
boy.
Give them a
We want to
sacrifice.
win Jayden case. We want can't sleep. Jamaica people them want can't sleep, Mr. Andrew Holiness. Jamaican people them tired. Them want can't sleep. Please, the Prime Minister make we sleep. And I me alone want to sleep. And the whole Jamaica want to sleep. Make we sleep. Mr. Prime Minister just come out with Honorable Andrew Holiness. Come out, come
Yes.
say something.
Yes.
Make we can rest. Make Jayden can rest and make we can rest. Because nobody can sleep. Nobody can sleep. As early as the morning, 6 o'clock and 5 o'clock over here. Yes, we are vent for the party.
Yes,
I know that you are vent for Jayden.
in a depression.
Come help we.
It a put mothers
Come
and
help
grandmothers in a
Come
depression.
help we.
Auntie
Because
and
Jayden
uncle
have nobody.
in a depression.
Jayden have nobody more than we.
Jayden.
And we alone, Jayden have mighty God.
Nobody.
Father God. Oh, we can't sleep. Me put on my head. I put on my head, me can't sleep at night time because me feel it. Me I say, on me. He must say on me and him quiet him. And when he get the fruit, I mean, I know if he say, God. Father, every night me I got my bed, me say, Father, God, give me a prophecy. Every night me got my bed, me say, Jayden, if you're dead, dream me. And if you're not dead, dream me. Every night me I got my bed and I lie me I tell. Me say, Father God, me I beg you give me a prophecy. Me say, God, me know me not 100% and me know me slip up, but just make me can see something. Make me see something, God, give me a prophecy. Because you know me can't see. You know me can't see. But me know about me know me not there too close. Me don't know how much percent me there right now. But me know me not 100% with your God. Because me not perfect. Just give me a vision. Give me a prophecy, Lord. Every night, me I got my bed. Because me there on the case, yeah. Me there on the case, and that's people that curse me. People that curse me, people that text me. But you me that come say nothing to you. Man that curse me, I tell me, say, if you leave the case. Oh my God, me I can make you listen this. Me I can make you listen this.
Nah, man, nah, left
Me
it
I can
here.
make you listen this. Hold on, no listen this. Listen this. That's the reason why me have to cry, because when the man I say that, when I listen me people, me not tell you no lie. Me not come to them, listen this. Me I go play it because me have it as proof. Me say it go give a lot of people. I wonder if I take him take no. People to keep quiet and listen this. Oh my God, me cry, me can't sleep. I'm not saying me not arrest Jayden case. Me not done and me not arrest it.
The time you did the boy you now come off a Jayden case, you would have go figure out the reason why Andrew hold this privatized him case. And why my hide that him now.
How is father?
I wish Matty boy that.
Oh, no, no, listen, no, man. Come on, no, never hear for that. I'm going to hear the whole light, no, man. Want to listen to what? Just keep quiet when it done now, no, course. PMP, I said that. Me not arrest Jayden case. Me not done and me not arrest it.
The time you do the boy, you know, come off a Jayden case, you would have go figure out the reason why Andrew hold this privatized for him case. And why my hide that him don't want nobody to for him case. And so much corruption the inner the JLP camp. That's you don't have time visit that, but you depend Jayden case. Hey, big face, Merle, don't make me have to take you on in a man. You need to go find out why Andrew hold this privatized for him case or why my hide. Something like it, why my hide.
On a seminar. On see what me have to go through.
Yes, so
People
man
see. Yeah,
you just send them, hey, Merlin, them boy they
And
can't
them
come,
text
so
me.
come chat them thing, the boy, you know. Send him on, so
and-
sit them pass in the
and them- and them-
out.
And them text me on my phone too. People all want me send me number for give them and then people that don't follow us up here things. People
So
come on the live and
Why
talk
they
about the
can't
one
do
bird.
nothing?
So you
One girl come on the live. One girl come on somebody. Well, Anna, one girl come on somebody live last night at about she a liberate all the one Merle fill the case. Merlin fill the case. No know me I go through.
know what case?
Me have to
No, what
pray.
case? One of them are kick, one of them are infant killer. One of them are infant alive.
You know, into the case one year time, and you feel fit talk. And look what somebody at the case, I deal with the case.
No, Merle the
You know much somebody talk about the case at the time?
Merle, everybody
What am I bring
problem. I mean, I make the video. Merle, I make video I put out there. Merle, I lighten up everything. So Merle, the problem. Merle is the problem.
The
I'm
amount
gonna
of,
tell you now.
the amount of platform I carry at the time.
Everybody are carrying.
Every day.
Me listen North Coast today. And me
Every
hear
day.
the man with my LA Lewis. Cause he must say the father innocent to how him talk.
Yes, Prince,
You
that
hear
Prince I said.
Yeah.
That Prince I said.
Yes, he must
Prince I
say
say, you know,
innocent.
the
Cause
father
he not
talk-
getting a spirit.
That's
and
why
a
the
spirit
father
that
don't
down.
answer him phone. Because right now the father, and them are checking the father right now, you don't know, so you stay there and said father. The man can't answer him phone.
Because Ananda
I
the
know.
mother was on the live too.
I know the father don't
Yes,
answer him phone
she was
from
on the
morning.
live. North
tell
Coast.
me, I
was
tell you
listening
now.
today.
Don't ask me how me know them call like them on the phone from morning.
Right,
I'm hearing
let
them
go.
advice me.
Listen, let this go. What's gonna happen? It just gonna brush underneath the table like everything else.
So wait I take them for hold on from the people them. Wait I take them and who they behind this. That's a real call out.
Yeah, but them have to stay all up on him so till they get more evidence.
But
you know?
still,
Yeah, them have very strong evidence.
Yeah, but one if you say something, the progress, tell you what one.
That the dirty boy coming, but he must hear.
But she immortal.
He look like he must sell out. He sell out. He sell his soul. He know what I'm talking about. Call your name, Merle. When I call your name for?
Last night in
Are you making behind heart? Are you making
I am a seek out and job business. I am figure seek out himself. Yeah, tell what you know go see. I am figure seek it out. I want.
Papa and your friend, brother. You nasty nigga.
Are you making my work with newspaper and office lump and newspaper leak? And nobody said him go make them juke out him behind out a socket.
But when Merle do everybody talk about the case, you know. So when
But I don't care what I talk about it. Everybody
And you
talk
get
about it.
everybody. And you are mad out to clad.
That's fine.
And
We
you
are
are big
talking
out to
about
clad.
it.
Sonny Dan, the panic case,
And
that's something
you
that
are
happen
talk.
every day. Daniel, I whole for them the panic case.
And he can't talk to them, but I murder him and take set.
Two Merle,
They can't want
Merle, you don't have no fear, Merle. You have no fear. Dip up under them and say, go sit down somewhere passing hard.
And that's what she can do.
No, you see how him do it? He make the video. And him come under the video and make a video off of my sound. And that
How
him
who
do.
do that? How should them do
I
that?
don't know him. I don't know. Because all of them are you fear page. They see one name, but them not work with them name there.
Yeah, but you have to tell your name so we look out for them.
I want dirty, nasty PMP boy, you know, your advice. You look at dirty drunk that they don't want to do. If you could analyze all the picking, so they start after they lose. Then says I walk and I analyze people picking it.
Then you know say,
germs,
then you know see where the other one name. When him name the look Rasta one when Tita drop out time out to the act them behind him for one name. And him come out and tell the people them hold on from the stepfather because them want these guys. Him know them. And pay that them do. And them not hold nobody. And him come out with it and say them hold him.
So then drunk, so then dirty PMP that time.
Yeah.
This then was germs back pocket then. They all can spit out then.
Yo, old boy, take a kick in your face out of your eye and come off of me thing. But sit down and come off of this.
The whole of them, you know what? The whole of them, you listen me? The whole of them want back him. They don't get listening right now. Because when the father said to L.A. Lewis, say, a 3 days ago, me listen for you come here, no come here, say you come here. So me say, blood clot. A 3 days ago, me call up on L.A. Lewis and say, Lewis, go down to go show you what I want to, I beg you. So them under the and listen everything. That's them could look upon him and say, we know you come here, you know. We hear say you come here. We know you come here. That I said for.
Father Merle.
His stepfather.
His stepfather.
Oh, the stepfather, him a one next shit bucket, you know. Because him a go talk about him, he say him say, him now go look because them a send threat to him. You know, see threat yet, wait. Your backside, you better ready.
No, remember say, him a go talk. You see that look up boy there? You see Jamaro? You see that look up boy there?
Me tell you, start take them clock, man.
I feel say him have to know what go on, you know.
The little the brother know everything. And him and the sister plot together.
Yeah, him drawing the boy. Him drawing.
With 15. You can ask your question. You can ask your question.
Him a debate, you beat him up. And came out of the cousin to him.
When you top up the freaking life meanwhile. When you come here, all kind of story. Top up the life too, man. You
No business, me a talk. Me a talk, and me alone a ball. I want the people a ball. We want Jamaica can't sleep. Cause Jamaica can't sleep. Anybody who sleep, people who feel like said, when me look at me see how some people they on TikTok, oh God, man, I don't use the platform no man. You could fight for Jayden. We not talk about tops and roses. And money in a rundown. I don't watch them. When me look, me see Rosalie too, picking them government of them and them alive and big and fat and Rosie and the whole Jamaica still a talk about Jakes and him picking them. And I look a boy out there say, and alive. I don't have children.
Nobody know what happened to the baby. A baby that Merle. A baby that.
And right now, you see somehow now. Make sure when you don't have no problem, you don't look for me. Me a stroll pass, you know. And me a carry grieving on me, you know.
Yeah.
Stop the speculation.
But me look for the look boy, I mean, them tender like a
Social
grandson.
media this. Freedom of speech. We attack. We not judge no case, because we are not judge. We attack.
Nobody cares on nobody fan talk. Them have to lock up the whole away. And them have to sue. Them not have the money to sue them. Them not have the money to sue everybody who attack.
If when that, since there's nothing on 90 attack, and on 90 it's going on 1 month now. And that's little soul, innocent baby that.
Yeah.
So when you go talk about speculation, we have to speculate till we find
Hello, I'm not using my platform and talk about nobody at all more than Jayden. Jayden me a talk about. Say for that Jayden you come out and open my platform, don't come over there come to come make sure I tell you no. Me no want nobody come from my platform. Come tell me nothing about nobody in a Jamaica and for that Jayden never tell me about.
Man.
We need to find Jayden.
That's true.
Everybody we are talking about alright, I in them bed. Where is Jayden?
We need to know.
we have to get algorithm go make that people are come out and them get every shit done.
Now you're ugly opinion. You think he's still alive?
You're gonna tell you the truth, you know.
Yeah.
In my opinion, I think him is alive. As me tell you, say, me I pray to God for show me certain things and rare, but in my opinion, I don't feel say him is alive.
And that me think too, you know.
Because when me look on it, Me know him get a lick. Me know them lick him hard. I'm good at lick. They put him in a panic attack on him. Them beat him. Them beat him. Father God, them beat him. Them then I'm going to have him son a foreign prize bowl. A foreign prize bowl.
People in the chat, you don't thanks me and tell them for not think him alive or something.
Me not think so. Me not think so. Me not get
I want me to say, him young and if he even broke him foot. I don't like him foot can't set back too.
Yeah, because he's young.
Him young. And a Jayden broke his foot and the boy jump up, the boy jump up and broke his foot. I do foot. They're active, you know.
That's what my grandson was
Active, high pro, yard pro.
But whether or not them grow Jayden as their child.
Yes.
So, me ask you a question. So when them not have Jayden I do, I beat him when nothing, I punish him and I beat him and he can't take lick. Look at him. Look at him. Why don't want of him and I beat him? Because of the dirty father up a foreign. And him a send all of the others.
But the pig not dead. He's never be even dead.
Well, if a father they are foreign.
Little baby.
That's what them say. The only question that the one LA asks the father, where is the baby father? I appear like the whole of them I tell.
I choose say my soldier Merlin, you hear nothing like that.
I don't know. And that question they alone me that we can't find nobody to ask that question there.
Now you them say my soldier.
That's why
I put on the video and say all the baby father keeps so silent, not coming in and say anything about Jayden. Me can't listen, me not believe nothing at all with them.
They say they're training.
I be a lie them a tell because
I can ask you a question.
But if him did your children,
Can I ask you a question? He married, don't it?
Mm-hmm.
The only somebody can get him when he is on training is his wife. Yeah, yeah.
You don't get time to go look about him, baby, alive.
If him hears there's something wrong with his mother
and thief the girl, thief somebody man and breed.
Oh.
No, but look here now, G Keeper. She would have contact him and him tell her to go down go deal with whatever and she go back up, you know. Him not left out.
Remember, say he's a Jamaican and him have him Jamaican friends and family and brothers and sisters there.
What the little picking are dead? It's just a
right now me yesterday
foot.
Yeah, listen me. The baby is a baby who born in the States. And if the baby on welfare, she can't care about that baby to the United States.
In that state.
Just like that because she's going to have problems. Whether the baby, they're on welfare, or what they call it food stamp, or them look at thing there, she got a whole heap of questions she got have. Them are going to ask her. So I get you understand, so the baby don't go up with her.
Baby at the hospital, same with them, sir.
But why should I just let it pick me and gone so quick?
What you say?
Because that's what you do.
She come on a mission.
Yeah, man.
She's on a mission.
She can accomplish.
She's on a mission.
Mm-hmm.
All the timing. I don't know who. If the police must have enough evidence by now. Because if they go to the hospital, they are going to know who carrying the baby because it must write down there in the book. If they go to the airport, they are going to know the flight. Who and her come and if she alone come, what time she come, blah, blah, blah. When she leave. Some say she leave same time, some say she leave the Wednesday. So I don't know. Too much mix up in this.
Man. All we need is some authority must come to say something. Because it have people in a depression, in a stress.
You just see what me talk about, gatekeeper. You just see what me talk about. Who wants to see?
If I'm married, you got me a talk about the
when it comes to picnic.
Somebody need to come out. We need to organize. Somebody need to come out, come say something.
Something so that people know, you know what I mean? Let us hear, because we don't want it sweep underneath the mat.
Nobody at all. Nobody at all. No come out, come say nothing. Mighty God.
Nobody at all. No come say nothing at all.
And we
somebody needs to come. You will little update what is going on. We are human beings.
Yeah, man.
Are we nephew? Are we grandnephew? We need to hear something, sir.
So all of them woman there. in the government party them we have children. No.
Exactly.
No. Did I take it to the front of the line? And come on, come say something. On our picnic.
Bernie, me expect Dana to come say something because Ministry of Education if he go to school and him not reach home and
One thing.
Somebody
One thing me tell myself. Hey, me tell you now. One thing me tell myself. One thing me tell Father God and me tell myself and me now go tell you now. Because I uno I go see it for myself. And I might be a uno I go say Merle, you know. And I have a good no clue. Me tell myself one thing, Father God. Me tell myself one thing. I go stick to what me tell myself because me hurt. Me hurt, God, me hurt. Me hurt. And the reason why me hurt, because I know people can't help the case.
Yes.
People can't help the case and then keep their mouth closed.
Come on this evening and the first somebody come on and come talk about Keisha C come on and talk about what the government have to do with it. I mean never call Andrew name, I know where PM have to do with it. I mean call Andrew name. I said the government come out and say something. I said
And lady really come say that?
yes, Keisha C.
That's supposed to hold on. But we never said that.
But Mr.
We never said we
never
never said a fight we fight for the country.
Tell me shit.
A fight we fight. Hello.
Hear somebody come out and say something. I am a mother.
A fight we fight for the country.
I am a mother. Me feel it. You know, say a little boy like this. A woman I want
Nobody
him.
never chew on us one behind
So them can just easily analyze him and not come out like me want to hear something.
Remember say nobody never chew on us one behind them country. People they all over the whole world. The Jamaican them, some da England, some da Canada, some da United States.
Yes, we know say
in our country we still a fight.
Alright, Sham, we're not talking about we want highlight on the case. We just want somebody to come out and say something. Advocate, somebody come out and say, listen, we hear you cry, we understand what's happening, and the authorities are working on it. That's all we want to hear.
Exactly.
We don't want to hear where my case go or what is being done. We don't want to know that.
Just come up here.
Let me ask you a question.
Let us know that you hear. We want to hear that.
Hold on, let me ask you a question. If she want over here and hear me, she can come for me. Because me class anybody. Suppose me want say my Prime Minister to come out. And you're Prime Minister alone. And the whole of the Prime Minister and put him in our seat. It's about we walk out the Prime Minister and you don't have to do it there. Our Prime Minister. Are we a labor right? And we not change. Then suppose we want so we want the Prime Minister come out. So what? Suppose we want so we want the Prime Minister come out. So what me to that?
Exactly.
Our Prime Minister. And the whole of we put him where him there. Suppose we want to call up our Prime Minister. So we not to talk about our Prime Minister and remote again. We not stop talking about Andrew, our Prime Minister. And if we want to call upon him, we're free to call upon him.
Because we put him there.
And we put him in this. We put him there. Remember when we take me olive oil and my water and me in the chair and say, yes, I must stay here.
Sit down. True.
Him not come out. And yes, I must stay in the mighty name of Jesus Christ of Nazareth. Hey, girl, who you? For come tell me something to call my promise and name in my mouth. If you say me, I beg him to come help me. And help the Jamaica people. So want me to that? Eh? So want me to that? We're not talking about our Prime Minister, our Prime Minister.
We're not saying bad.
We just beg him to come help we.
Yeah, just
beg
come
him
say
to hear
something.
we cry. Enough time you sit down and hear upon TikTok a chant. For when me see them do me. For when me see PMP do me. For labor right. For when me see how PMP can me down and do me for labor right. Father God. It's only me can come out and say Andrew can help upon that case.
Yeah, man. I agree with that.
Me can come out and say Andrew help me because I whole heap of burden.
Yeah, man. The Prime Minister needs to come out.
If nobody don't know about Squitty life, them know about Merlin life.
Yeah, man. You're right, man.
Because every day they make videos.
Can you say the Prime Minister can come out and make a one speech?
Houses of people.
Hold a lot of water, man. I beg you, sir.
I want to what about the MP to Rhoda?
Yeah, the whole of them listen. They say remember, so the Prime Minister, the young people them love him, you know. And this is going to be a nice statement for him. Him can work. Him to come out and say that this don't have nothing to do with politics. Because he's the Prime
We see him
Minister.
come out for other people. We see him come out for several other people. So,
Yeah, come out and say
we
something.
know him when I come out and say something shit about, you know.
We want to hear
Now
something.
when they kill it, the 5 we see come out.
Can I listen to it, you know? I
Look
listen
at
to the live, you know?
12-year-old miss.
I listen to the live, you know? So,
Make
Mr.
you sleep
Prime
no
Minister,
man. Come on, remember so we not get no
come
sleep.
out.
Remember Honorable Andrew Holiness, you know, we love you. Remember so we never get no sleep during the campaign, you know. We don't get no sleep.
And we not,
Over here on the yes or your news station.
and we not beg,
TikTok
and we
alone
not
are the
beg no
news
money.
station for you.
Man, get
And we
done.
the over here, we are begging, we work, you know, we work. Me I tell you, me work.
And we never
Them
ask
bash
them.
me, them bring
We
up
ask them
scandal
people,
for me.
we don't come
Them
out
bash
and
me,
go
them bring up scandal for me. Them have been name a room over the whole TikTok one Merlin. Come on, man, the one Merlin, I beg you to come out, come say something.
Yeah,
Bro,
we
beg
want
you.
to
They make
Rap
you
it, go.
stronger. They never lick you down.
You know, come out, come
They
say
lick
something.
you down, you bounce right back because we never bounce right back. You not defend Jayden tonight. And we are with them. We not care about them. We are defend the little boy, the helpless. And Jayden can't help himself. So we have to stand up for Jayden.
Nah,
Nah,
no
nobody,
mother,
them
no
a say nah,
father.
nobody.
Say nothing. No mother, no
Come on.
father.
We could fight it, man. We could fight it.
Exactly.
Jaja.
When you hear we over avenge, nobody no say nothing, man. Who feels it knows it. Can a woman tender care sees towards the child she bear?
See him so. Them not
So
understand.
if you know another person, leave with.
But what I'm saying, them say them have upon enough evidence. Them have the evidence in them on. Them have the evidence in them on. And them have to put them here in our room different. Put the mother in our room different. Put the stepfather in our room different. And question the three of them and say if we don't get the clue and the puzzle.
But we don't want to hear what them have to say. We just want to hear somebody come on, come tell we say they care and them a work on it.
That's
That is
all.
it. We don't hear anybody
That's
come on,
all.
come say anything.
Well,
Just
they
give
want
them
we do.
up here.
They want we go down. They want. What they want we do? Sister blinger up on TikTok.
smart, you know,
Stop. Bling up on TikTok. She put out $1 million. Blinger. So anybody can come. Anybody can know with Jayden there's a $1 million. You know, Blinger is a nice person. Blinger come out since night to make a video. LA Lewis I put out $1 million. I said I was going to make a video and ask Vibes Cartel if you can put something up on the money. We want somebody come up. But here we know, we can't do no more. We
Nobody
just
is
can't do
them
no
at
more.
Jamaica, and none of them no come out go say nothing.
We can't do no more. Everybody a picnic.
Well on there. Bones I say there's a live interview is now on with the family. Which part that I go on? Live interview are going right now. Which part that Bones? What station is that? Which channel?
I understand. With this family, not go so. We family, them family are
Family
come.
right now.
Where?
Are we family? Them the family when that alive today.
You know what time it is now? You know what
So
time
they
it is?
want to be alive.
You don't know where you must say.
Hello, we family are come out. She don't foreign. You think hey. Number one, she said she don't want to talk to LA Lewis.
No, sir. We know you don't find JFJ, I know, you know.
Not a thing.
She said she don't want to hear nothing. I agree, said no for the people them liberate, you know, LA Lewis and him out. But me not really business. Just me, I him go down there and go make we know enough things we are going. Cause I'm sure with the Mega Mart. I just me not talk about them and whether anybody will do this and them they cuss and when they say about Andrew. The point is we need to know where Jayden is, where Jamaican. We need to know where Jayden is.
If somebody say LA Lewis say a tree pit in the yard and Jaded in a one.
Lily, I'm not, man.
Him never say that. He never say that.
You listen to full interview?
Him don't say that. Say a tree pit in the yard and him in a one. Not no go so.
So they must spread rumor.
Let me can say something to you. So hold on. So every day people spread rumor about this case. And them come up over here and come in at the box and print different because they want distract us from the case.
Yeah.
You understand
Now,
me?
Lady Johnny say him never say that.
He didn't say that.
He didn't say that.
But you see the lady, the aunt, when she come from, them smart enough, I hear what them do now. You see the aunt, when she came from the hospital, what she do, them set up the alibi. The husband must sit still home, him missing the kid. So she called the school to make it seem like, say, yeah, she just a come from the hospital, she
Yeah.
do this, that, and make it look like, say, the kid never come home. Which them know already say the kid come home.
I work for information because as the
You
person
understand?
who said, as the person who just said LA is a madman. Is the madman make the people them find out, say the girl come and didn't come at home. She were inspiratory ill. None of them never talk over all of the interview. All of the interview and them come and talk. The girl never talk, so she were at
You
spiritual.
never thought that.
And we get to find out a lot of things yesterday. Them know a lot of things where he might be don't talk.
Yeah, man,
Yeah.
but
Prince
but-
talk a lot of things today.
how the woman in a few heart of heart to go buy chicken and stuff and yam, I don't know where the boy did. Bitch, how you nam sit down and yam them the chicken? How the good on
Remember,
your
you know, everything I come down bump to bump, you know.
She
Everything
said
I
the
come down
chicken,
bump
she
to
said the
bump.
chicken in the house still sold, the chicken never eat.
All of them are going to prison.
All of
You
them.
hear them say? They must say the only somebody might survive this prison is the uncle.
It's the uncle, yeah,
Uncle
that
have
hear them
things
say.
to talk.
Him a
You know
go.
them will have put him and have him a question him. And like how them get out all the things on time already.
Remember one time the auntie say, no, when the little boy, when he
Him
go
a
in the
go.
room
The
and say,
uncle a go
I
again.
say, all him said to the Jayden was, Jayden,
Nobody
when
never
you
said
get
the
with
uncle
baby,
not
you
going
must
to
be
be
more
curious. It might be
careful
him
than
good all. If him willing to
I-
talk up,
I
everything
hear
will
what
go
the
down.
uncle say.
I get
The
one.
uncle
But
say,
remember say when she come, she never come at the yard.
And the uncle no must know all of the details neither, you know.
Because he
As
my
well as he
stepfather. He my stepfather. He was her biological father.
Them probably not even have a good relationship with him. Them probably not know nothing.
That's why she don't come in the community because nobody don't like the mother in the community.
See? So that is
Nobody
why
said she don't
That's
come
why
here.
nobody in the community no come up. You realize nobody in the community come up.
nobody at all no come out.
Nobody don't
Nobody.
like the mama.
I mean, and that me it expect it me puzzle me because me I say you live in a community and nobody no come out.
Yes, Sammy, that me I said nobody at all no come out and say
Nobody no neighbor no see nothing, no neighbor no they no chat to her. I want to go
Chat
bad
to her.
they are working girl.
Obi wapa girl.
But still yet, even though she's that, somebody should have still come out.
You know when you went here?
they must have
You know when you went
You know
here?
why
You
Mr.
know when
Shah
you
come
know when
out
you
because they don't like her. So she
You know when the
come out,
you know
come
when
talk.
you know when the community people them are gonna come out. I bet you don't know tell
When
me.
they find Jordan,
When them wall of them, people gonna come talk and spit out their belly.
but we don't need the belly spit out that time. I know we want it.
Listen me, people know we are going, you know.
Yes, people know.
Okay, you see that money we put up here?
Shabria entertain. What you say?
So know we go on.
Shabria entertain. And that's where they pan. Shabria entertain now. Go pan.
Oh, we know that we never talk to them. And I can't fake people at all.
No, not a long time. Something.
Hello, enough of them are fake. I pay fake text in them, man.
Them not talk to
You know what?
nobody.
Still look.
Come off of TikTok and everything.
Mm.
Them not talk to nobody.
Wicked.
Man not answer no more phone. The girl come off of TikTok, so who the pan here
Because she take down her Facebook page, her TikTok page, her Instagram page. She take down everything. Why you take them down?
So why should I let her interview now watch her? Not that thing no go see.
Remember, say them a call the whole. Remember, Elia call the whole of them phone from morning. Me dip on the live with him, you know. I call the whole of them phone, you know, back to back. None of them do not answer.
See?
And everybody see when time him give him the number. Remember, say if Elia tell lie, you know, Prince not tell lie. A whole heap of things here. Just a go and hold it and watch out of my eye. Because I know, me a go wash me whole, and my hand alone, me a go wash now. And the whole of my body, me a go wash. Me just a wait and watch something. not tell nobody where me up to or where me I think. But me, I go make sure, put on a base of water and wash my hand in there. I know why me I wash my hand. I'm come out, come sell Jayden case. Cause we not talk.
I'm a serious.
Yes, sure, remember this.
A beer like them I tell car one at this point, what one pint?
Yeah.